Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the IFB. Make sure the door is closed and power light is on. Press power, then cycle through programs to pick the wash type you want. Once selected, press the time or delay button to switch the display into minute mode. This reveals the current set duration. You do this because different cycles default to different durations. Adjusting time lets you match soil level and fabric care needs. Now move to fine-tuning the exact minutes. Once in minute mode, use the plus and minus buttons or the knob to set the exact wash duration. Some IFB models change in 1 or 5 minute steps. Make sure you adjust temperature and spin speed to match the fabric label, because time without correct temperature or spin can underclean or damage clothes. Check the display. Confirm the total run time shown is what you expect. If everything matches, press start. If not, revise the minutes. Keep an eye on the initial agitation feel. Press start to begin the cycle. Watch the first 1 to 2 minutes to ensure the machine fills and agitates. This confirms the time will run as set. If an error code or abnormal pause happens, cancel the cycle and power cycle the washer. Many timers reset after a short reboot. If timing issues persist, check the door lock, inlet water pressure, and drainage, because sensors and pressure affect time estimation. Finally, run a short test cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.